has issued a tornado warning for Grenville County in northeastern Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 9:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Seneca, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught with
Ooh, did you see that?
Yes. Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Morris around 9:35 p.m. Buzzard around 9:45 p.m. Coal City, Diamond, and Gardner around 9:55 p.m.
You want to go find that one?
No. Wait, are you serious?
Thunderstorm includes South Wilmington, Common Hill, East Brooklyn, Verona, and Guthrie. This includes Jim Redwood State Park and William G. Stratton State Park, including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 224 and 232. Interstate 80 between mile markers 111 and 112. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service.